The Eheim Pro 4+600 filter delivers strong, reliable filtration for heavily stocked freshwater or marine aquariums up to roughly 160 gallons, making it a solid choice for serious hobbyists. Its German engineering shows in the quiet, smooth operation and durable construction, so it can run continuously for years with minimal fuss. The built-in flow bypass feature lets you maintain circulation even as the media begins to clog, buying you extra time between deep cleanings without sacrificing oxygenation. It arrives with well-thought-out media baskets, pads, and installation hardware included, so most aquarists can set it up quickly without hunting for extra parts. Maintenance is straightforward thanks to the priming system, quick-release hose connectors, and easy access to the media trays, which together help keep service time short and mess under control. Overall, this canister filter offers a balanced mix of power, efficiency, and long-term reliability that suits demanding community tanks, planted setups, and many larger display aquariums.